Hello and welcome back to another News and Nonsense. I have my returning champions. We have Jesper from Denmark. He's snickering because I don't know why. Maybe he's drinking his Denmark tequila sunrise or whatever they make over there. We have Joe, Anselm, Dan, Ben, of course, myself, yours truly, the Italian stallion from Ohio. Before we go to News and Nonsense, a quick joke. Why don't zombies like pirates? Because they are a little salty.
Oh boy.
Okay, well, that's our show tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this one? What do you call a dinosaur with an extensive vocabulary? A thesaurus.
Thesaurus.
These are actual headlines. I make none of this up. This is all real, okay? First headline. I'm laughing because I have jokes, but I can't say it. At least not to you guys when you see it on YouTube. The headline reads, Italian brothers grow world's heaviest cherry.
Do what?
Italian, shut up, also. Italian brothers grow world's heaviest cherry. That's the headline.
How much wine did they get out of that?
Well, you know, in American Truck Simulator, they got this Idaho potato thing going on, and you go pick up your potato, and it's on a lowboy 52-inch foot trailer. And it's a giant potato that picks up the whole trailer.
You say potato, I say potato. All right, let's see. New York news. New York legalizes giving a haircut on Sundays. That was a law you couldn't have. Well, what's the matter with you, eh? But New York Governor Cuomo signed legislation Tuesday, to get rid of an archaic law that banned barbers from working on Sundays. Well, good for him. Why would that be a law not to have a haircut on?
Yeah, that'd be like one of my first things on my checklist when I get out of church.
Yeah, of course.
Carm, did you hear about the two men that broke into a drugstore and stole all the Viagra?
Nope.
The police said to watch out for two hardened criminals.
The police said what?
Watch out for two hardened criminals.
Ba-da-bum.
That's a good one.
My singer friend Slim Man told a joke. He says the night before the live show in Baltimore, he says he had a Viagra stuck in his throat. He says the next morning he woke up with a stiff neck.
I thought you were going to say a stiff tongue.
I thought you would say a long neck.
Okay, before we become demonetized, let's move on.
Hey, Steve.
Next headline. We now have macaroni and cheese flavored ice cream.
Oh, God. Macaroni cheese ice cream. Okay.
Yuck.
This is out
That is
New York
just
again.
sad.
This is Brooklyn again.
Did they put bacon in it too?
I don't know, man. As Italians, we'll try anything but macaroni. What's next? Pasta flavored ice cream?
What?
Yeah.
Well, there's
Yeah,
pickle
why
ice
not?
cream, so why not?
Yeah.
I know everybody says bacon ice cream's good. I've never tried it.
Yeah, I gotta draw the line. I don't know, man. Yeah, to all my fellow New Yorkers, you guys are freaking nuts.
Hello, it's bacon. You have to taste it.
Yes.
Just once in your lifetime.
Yes, you do. You do.
No, thank you. Okay. This is coming out of Florida, where I used to live. Dump truck crash spills cow poop onto Florida highway.
What?
What a crappy road, let me tell you. But yeah, it involved just this cow poop. Why would they be carrying? Oh, I guess fertilizer. Okay. Anyway, 2 tractor trailers, one empty, one carrying manure. It says yes, you read that right. No injuries were reported. So if the police show up, do they have to wear like a gas mask, a hazmat, because of the smell?
Cue
I
back to
would
the
hope
future.
so.
Cue back to the future clip. I hate manure.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
I like that comment.
Yeah. Here's some more New York news. Boy, New York has been busy lately. A loose bull temporarily shuts down New York highway.
Yeah.
I'm just asking. I lived in New York 14. I never saw a
I
loose
thought
bull.
New York was full of bull.
Yeah.
That's one for Steve. Mark that down, and one for Joe, and 0 for me. Okay, I'll mark it in. Keep a score.
Oh, Lord.
Well, here we go. Since we're on the animal theme, now this is not me. This is the exact newspaper or the news headline. Okay, I'm just reading it exactly. Highway shut down after idiots free cow from farm. Unusual movements. I guess this was in England. After idiots forced a farmer's gate open, leaving the young cow to wander into the motorway. It was corralled by officers. How does an officers corral a cow?
Very carefully.
They're very carefully. Or do they? Is it safe to taser an animal? I don't know. But it says here, police tweeted the cow escaped when idiots, quote unquote, forced it. We were just talking about that off camera, idiots.
Well, they might have had a stake in it.
Yeah. That's 2 for Steve and 0 for Kay.
Oh, Lord.
All right, one more animal thing. Bear visits Tennessee Mall. Any bear watches, people from Tennessee watching this on YouTube. But anyway, it says here, bear visits Tennessee Mall, checks movie showtimes. Oh, right. He wanted to go check out the Bad News Bears Part 4. Yes. Yeah. Check out our visitor this morning looking for showtimes for Space Jam. Just when the bear was looking at showtimes for Space Jam. Space. I guess there's bears in it. Maybe the bear's cousin is the co-star. I don't know. Ron, you're coming in at the end of our news and nonsense, but welcome anyway. So the question is, okay, if in the future all cars become fully autonomous, right? That means they cannot hit a human being no matter what. What's to prevent people from purposely doing stupid things on a highway? If you know you will not get hit by a car.
The cars aren't even that smart yet, and people are already doing stupid things, like the one that was caught sleeping and behind the wheel.
I'm just saying, in the future, if all cars are fully automatic, right, autonomous, and they've been programmed to sense human, they cannot hit you. Humans can do anything. They could run naked across the highway. They could hold a barbecue on the highway. They could.
No, what the car is going to do is it's going to miss the human that's naked out in the street right away and ram the car right into a tree, and then you'll be dead.
I'm just saying, something to think about and to discuss. I have solutions to fix this. I won't say it now. We'll talk about this next time. But that's my.
That's kind of.
Yeah, we'll think about it. If it's, because look, a self-aware car won't fall asleep at the wheel, won't drink and drive. It saves lives, right? Because it is programmed not to hit you, not to hit a human being.
Yeah, but it has to make a decision of not to hit somebody. So what else is
it's going to stop?
Make a decision to hit.
It's going to stop. It's going to
slow
down.
If the person comes right out, darts out in the middle of the road in front of it.
Well, you know what? You brought up a good safety point. So if someone's at the bar, they're drunk, they get in the car drives them home.
There you go. No, there's definitely pluses.
There you go.
But what's
if you want to make fun with sorry.
No, go ahead, Jesper. Yeah.
If you want to make fun with someone, you have ordered a pizza. You can make a barrier to his on the road so it cannot get to him. So.
I'm just saying, you could have a party. You could have the college cheerleaders shaking their pom-poms naked on the Dallas freeway. The cars got to stop. All the cars got to stop. I mean, I would stop for that, but that's beside
I wouldn't be mad at the car for stopping for that.
Yeah, I would praise the car. Yeah. So anyway, we'll talk about that on the next topic. So for this one, I want to thank everybody for joining us for News and Nonsense. Those of you who watch this on YouTube later, sometime this weekend, let me know what you guys think of these shows. But so there you go. Autonomous cars in the future. As the cars become more intelligent, will humans' intelligence drop? Yeah.